And this is territory that even I, the theater boy, have never been into, and that is contour. Now, this is brought to you by Beauty Benefits and Beauty Benefits contour and Wet n Wild brush, which is a nice little pink thing on the end. I have no idea what I'm doing with this. So, my guess is that you want to put, so I've got like a dark color and a light color. I'm going to put the dark color on first. You know, just because I feel like it. And you're just gonna brush it on the brown, you know, just really get up in there. And then you're just gonna come across the sides. And I can't see it. Maybe anymore. It feels very nice against my face. But yeah, you want to come along the side. You really want to bring out these cheekbones. You just want to bring out these cheekbones. And hypothetically, the color would appear on the brush. God, come on. Work with me here. I see it on the brush. Oh, there we go. Oh, see, you oh, I don't know, actually. Let's get some water on it. This is water for my plant. I just have it ready. Maybe if I get it wet. Oh, okay. Hold on. This might be a pro strat. So make sure you wet your brush. Someone out there is cringing very hard right now at what I'm doing. Oh, okay. Okay. See, it's very wet. I may have made a mistake. Okay. Well, put that on there. You kind of see you can see the dark. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. So you want to bring it down the cheekbone, kind of like what I was doing. See, so that's kind of like what you have going. Do that on this side. You want to kind of like, you've got like a shadow going. Sure, shadow. And you kind of want to hit your jawbone in the same way. Nice. So yeah, just bring it around there. And you just want to do the same thing on this side. So you gotta get the cheekbone up in there. Oh yeah, this is quite the look, Alex. Excellent. I would like every single person that watches this video to replicate this look and send it to me. It's important to me that I see these things. So yeah, you really just want to dampen up and follow that line. You know, just that natural cheekbone line. Until you kind of have this matching look on both sides. Shadowed down. Kind of thins out the face a little bit, which looks great. And then you want to do the same thing with the jawline on the left side. So you just want to, so you're just going to come around like this. Maybe a little bit more on that. Yeah, you do that, hypothetically it would pop up. It's because it's not wet again. I'm going to dampen it up. Perfect. Alright, so it's wet again. We're going to come across here. Oh, see, there it is. So you're going to come around, you know, finish it off here. You've got like this nice little look here. Alright, and so now you got that. I just use my hand to kind of wipe it off. And now we're going to get the lighter color. And this is just going to be for the rest of the face. So you just want to kind of brush it around. I'm kind of just, see, at this point, and you want to just, again, vibe with it, kind of go with what you're doing. I'm just getting all of it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, you want to get a little bit of everything and just kind of coat the whole face. This is what the last part of contouring is. Get something that matches your skin tone and just go wild. So get all of it up in there and just go crazy. This is popping up. This is popping up a lot less than I was hoping it would. But you know what? Alright, so just keep going with it. You know, I just want to be consistent with it. You know, just keep it going all over the face. You want to make sure you cover up that that cheekbone. You want to get that natural looking, but you still have that. Do you see the shadow coming around? That is definitely not a natural shadow that my light casts. That is for sure something that I executed as an expert makeup artist. So I encourage you to do the same. I just want to keep going around. Please get things that are your skin tone and your skin tone only. I do not promote blackface on this channel. As you can see with all of my past videos that I've definitely made about makeup art. But no, genuinely, I do not stand for that. So make sure you get stuff that is your skin tone. Like this, which is obviously barely showing up on my face because it's the right skin tone, and not because I'm doing this ineffectively. And you just kind of want to keep going until you hit all the parts of the face. Perfect. Okay, let's do some last touches with this. Kind of want to blend it into your neck a little bit, so it's a little bit more natural looking. Obviously, not supposing you put makeup on your neck, unless it's your thing. In which case, go off, do your thing. And then kind of once over. Kind of come underneath here. Now, this is a good point where you wouldn't want to do this if you were putting on eyeshadow. That is Alex's tip for the day. Don't put contour on your eyes when you have eyeshadow. Otherwise, I encourage you to put contour on your eyes. And with that, that kind of completes our look for the day. So if you look, we've got a lot of great details happening. We've got the shadow of the contour both here and here, kind of giving my face shape and bringing it all together. And you know, just pulling it all together. And that is thanks to our friends over at Beauty Benefits, a real company. And of course, the excellent brush of Wet n Wild. Oh, see, it says wet in the title. I'm doing this right. So you kind of get these beautiful colors, beautiful shape of the face, and this comes together expertly, especially in the eyes, which, as you can see, just turned out perfectly. This is exactly what I was looking for when I put this on. So come along the top, make sure you come out here to the sides, get that nice cat eye look that, of course, my subscribers have told me thousands of times they want to perfect in this way. This is how you do it. This is kind of that tutorial for it. And come underneath too. You want to make sure you outline those eyes. And then, of course, come in with that mascara. Really make those eyes pop. And like I said earlier, this is a starting point. I encourage you all, as novice makeup artists, when you're watching my expert video, to kind of riff it in your way. Make it you. And just encourage you to try whatever you can. But this is a great basic place to start. And even just this look as itself, as you can see, looks excellent. See, like when I kind of bring my hair down, oh, see, that is a perfect look that everyone is looking for. So So, thank you for watching. Thank you to Kolby for making me do this. And I want to say, I guess, if you watched this far, thank you for all the support that you've given me through Knight-Thon. I know that Knight-Thon's kind of come to a short. It's come up, like, it's ended a little bit quicker than we were all intending. And without main event, a lot of this it's sad. It's kind of sad when we don't have main event. But I want to thank you all for supporting me throughout all of this. I want to thank my team, Wesley, for being a great team to captain. It's been an absolute pleasure. And of course, I want to thank everyone that has donated. This whole process, I have managed to hit Comic Club through all of this, and I think that is incredible. I could have never imagined that. I am not one that is huge on fundraising. I have a difficult time with it, and you all made it so easy this year, and so I really appreciate that. And regardless of whether we have main event or not, this all goes to a really great cause, and so I'm so proud of my team, and I'm so happy for what we at UCF have been able to do this year, despite kind of cutting it short. So once again, thank you all. Thank you, Kolby, for making me put this lovely stuff on, and I hope you all have a great what is it called, incubation. Have a great time chilling at home, as I'm sure a lot of you are already doing.